Reddit, what is your most disturbing, scary, or creepy real story? Every night at exactly 3:17 a.m., the baby monitor crackled with static. Then came a soft lullaby. I figured it was interference until one night, I muted the monitor and still heard the lullaby. I rushed to my daughter's room. She was fast asleep, but the mobile above her crib was spinning, music playing. I don't own a mobile. Then I saw it, a pale hand retreating under the crib. Heart pounding, I dropped to the floor and looked. Nothing. When I stood up, my daughter was awake, silent, wide-eyed, and slowly, she raised her tiny hand and pointed behind me and said, "Mama."